Hello guys, this is Gautam Gupta from Gupta Coaching Center. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss that I am going to introduce a course for class 10th, and that is crash course. Yes, you listened right. I am going to introduce crash course for class 10th. If you are the student of class 10th and you are worrying about how you will crack your examination, how you will pass your examination, don't worry. You do not need to worry about it. I am giving you guarantee that you will be pass. I am giving you guarantee that you will definitely pass. So you do not need to worry about it, that how you will pass and how you will get good marks in your 10th class board examination. You know very well that board examination is going to come soon, so you have to prepare for that, and you do not have lots of time. If you have not covered your entire syllabus, you have to give board exams, and board exam is so difficult to crack, to pass. And in this pandemic, in this COVID situation, I know that you have not been prepared for it, but you do not need to worry about it. I am here to help you. I will help you to pass in your examination in class 10th, so you do not need to worry about it. What you have to do is you just have to come into my coaching institute. The name is Gupta Coaching Center. Yes, you listened right. My coaching institute is Gupta Coaching Center, so you have to come here. So all you have to come here and join our crash course for class 10th. If you will join crash course for class 10th, you will definitely pass, because I am giving you guarantee for your pass. You will definitely pass. I am giving you guarantee. If you will not pass in your class 10th, entire fees will be right back to you. I will give back you entire fees whatever you have been submitted. So you do not need to worry about that, how you will pass, whether you will be pass or not you pass. You do not need to worry about it. You just have to, what you have to do is you just have to enroll yourself into Gupta Coaching Center, and rest of is mine. I will teach you according to my method, and I am guarantee you that you will definitely pass. Actually friends, class 10th is a very important phase of our life. Actually you all guys know that class 10th is really important class of our life, of our entire life. Our entire life depends upon it, because nobody asked you that how much marks you got in your class 5th. Nobody asked you that how much marks you have got in your class 5th, in your class 8th, or whether you are in class 9th. And even nobody asked about how much marks you got in your class 12th. Only the marks matter, that is of class 10th, how much marks you have scored in your class 10th, whether you passed or failed in your class 10th. So class 10th is so important class, so you have to be serious. You really have to be more and more serious if you really want to achieve a good marks in your class 10th. So I hope you guys, class 10th students, you like this video. Maybe you found this video so helpful, and I will recommend you to join our crash course which are going to conducted in Gupta Coaching Center. I will teach you, I will make and assure you that you will definitely pass in your class 10th, because because board exam is going to be conducted in your class 10th. So what you have to do is you just have to contact me. The number you can see here in the on the screen. You have to call me here, and you have to book your offline classes. Then I will teach you, and you will definitely pass. It my guarantee. If you will not pass, I will return your entire fees. That's the evidence of my guarantee, and this video is also the evidence that I am giving you guarantee that you will definitely pass in your class 10th. So what you have to do is you just have to contact me. So why are you waiting for? Just contact me here. You can see the number popping up on your screen. You just have to call me right now, right here. What you have to do is you just have to call me, and you have to book your crash course, and I will teach you, and I will give you guarantee that you will pass. So I hope you all guys found this video very useful. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have any question regarding crash course of class 10th, you can comment below. And if you want to join my normal classes, actually I want to tell you something about myself, that I teach the student of class 1st to class 10th all subject, and for class 11th I teach English, I teach economics, I teach business studies, and I teach accountancy. If you want to join any of the classes, you may contact here also. So meet you in the next video. You just take care about yourself, do hard work, do a good study, and achieve success in your life. Namaste.